Welcome to London Kids Academy.
Welcome, kids. Come sing and say. Let's learn opposites. Hip, hip, hooray. This elephant is big and wide. That little mouse is small, he hides. Hot cocoa warms me up just right. Cold ice cream gives me a chilly bite. The cheetah runs so fast, zoom, zoom. The turtle moves slow across the room. The balloon goes up into the sky. The apple falls down from way up high. This puppy is clean after his bath, but look, he's dirty from a muddy path. When I play, I feel so happy, but when I drop my toy, I'm sad and sappy. That giraffe is tall, look at his head. The duck is short and walks instead.